In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your profit and loss in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your profit and loss report and tailor it so it reflects the time period and details that matter most for your business. Start by heading to the left panel and clicking Reports. This is your hub for all the financial snapshots in QuickBooks Online. Once you're there, go to the Standard tab. This tab contains the most commonly used reports, already set up and ready to go, so you can get insights quickly without building anything from scratch. In the search bar, type Profit and Loss, then select the Profit and Loss report to run it. Your report will load with default settings. Think of this as a starting point. It shows your income, your expenses, and your net profit for a chosen period. Now, let's customize it using the toolbar at the top. This is where you control the scope and layout of what you see. On the left side of the toolbar, choose your report period. You can pick preset ranges like this month, last month, this quarter, or this fiscal year. Or enter custom dates if you're reviewing a specific window, such as a product launch or a seasonal campaign. Adjusting the date range is one of the fastest ways to clarify trends and spot changes over time. On the right side of the toolbar, you'll see options to fine-tune the content. Use filters to narrow the report to just what you need. Depending on your setup, you can focus on certain classes, locations, customers, or specific accounts. This is helpful if you want to review a particular segment or department without the noise of everything else. Next, look at sorting and columns. Sorting lets you reorder lines, for example, by total amount to bring the biggest values to the top. For columns, decide how you want the report laid out. You might keep a single total column for a clean overview, or break the report into columns by month or quarter to see how results trend over time. Selecting the right columns can make patterns jump out immediately. Finally, enable comparisons with other periods to add context. You can compare against the previous period or the same period last year, and even show dollar and percentage changes. This is great for understanding seasonality, growth, and whether your recent decisions are moving the needle. And there you have it. Open the profit and loss, then use the top toolbar to set the period on the left and refine filters, sorting, columns, and comparisons on the right. That's all.